Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add people from Snapchat groups. What you need to do, first just go to Snapchat and then just click in the chat icon. After that, tap and hold the group chat. Okay, for example, I have this group chat, friendship. Just tap and hold. After that, click more and then click add members to group. Now I need to just select a person. Just I can scroll down, otherwise just I can type in the search bar the name of the friend that I want to add to the group. Okay, let me just tap, for example H. Okay, for example I want to select this one. Just click here and then just click done. This is what you need to do if you want to add people from Snapchat groups. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.